Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Itel Fit O25 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to connect it with our smartphone. Our last video for pairing is all about Android smartphone. This time, we are going to pair or connect it with our iPhone or the iOS platform. Let's see if this smartwatch will work with iPhone. Although it states on its product page that the wearable is compatible with Android and iOS platform. So let's see. Okay, it's better to check it out and have a demo on how to connect it. And this video is also for those who are having a hard time pairing their Itel smartwatch with their iPhone. So if you are interested to see the process or the step-by-step process setup for the Itel Fit O25 smartwatch with iPhone, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and connect our smartwatch with the support app iPulse on the iOS platform or iPhone. We have here the QR code for the support app. It is using the iPulse support app. It's also available in the user manual and here in the smartwatch. In our case, instead of scanning the QR code, we'll just search directly here in the App Store. So just search iPulse. And we have here the application. So this one. So tap on to download. Let's wait. So it is available on Android and iOS platform. And it is now installed. So let's open the application. Open the app. So we have here a permission. Tap on OK. Then welcome. Select agree. So you can set your profile here. In our case, this is just a demo, so we'll skip. If you want to record your data, you can personalize your profile or you can set your profile. Allow the permission for notification. Then after that, go to device. Then tap on add. So you need to log in or create an account. So let's wait. And we have here log into Itel ID. Okay, you need to register. You can use your email or your phone number. So we'll log in, then we'll get back and we'll pair our smartwatch. Alright, so we have successfully registered an account. And now, again, select add. It will now look for our smartwatch, and as you can see, we have our previous smartwatch here, the O23. And we have our new smartwatch, the O25. Select the smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have a binding request. Tap on check. Then we have here a permission for our location. Allow first the iPhone notification. Then next, this one. And as you can see here, we have successfully paired our smartwatch. Let's double check for the permissions and other options here. Search wearable device. Okay, we are now properly connected. Push notifications. Activate some of the apps here. Remember, we already activated our or allowed our permission. WhatsApp application. The next. That's it. Then go back, call notifications. Yes, it's also permitted here. Bluetooth calling, sync contacts, and set up Bluetooth calling. We have some instructions here. We already allowed or agree to the permission. Other settings, time format, set to 24-hour format time. Awake time, let's make it 20 seconds. Race to wake is also activated here. And that's it. I guess we already set the basics for our Itel Fit O25 with our iPhone. So very easy to pair. We also have here the dial center. So everything works for our wearable here. Everything is set. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo for setting up your Itel Fit O25 with your iPhone, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.